Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to learn to draw the body and the form in 3 dimensions. And to do that, we're going to use some reference photos of a model, do some drawovers so you can draw the body and learn the form in a simple way. So I know a lot of us may not be able to go to life drawing classes, but I thought, well, if you're watching this now, you have the internet. And I found a model who goes by the name of Lalunatique. And what she has done is she has generously put up this huge gallery of just different poses that you can use free for your reference and to learn anatomy and posing. So I thought that was really cool, and I kind of went through her gallery and found some poses that I thought would be good to reference and do some drawovers that'll help us learn basics of putting the structure of the body together. I'm going to draw 3 shapes, and this is going to be, first one, this is going to be the ribs, and I'm going to draw kind of the stomach, and what I'm going to draw now is kind of where I think her waistline is, right there, and this shape on the bottom. This will be, actually, this is the stomach. And on the bottom, say it's the hips, okay? And we can draw a center line down the front. And now, from the last video, which was a while ago, let's draw the head. And in that video, I gave you some guidelines to draw the head. So I'm just gonna rough in kind of the cross on the face, you know, the eye line, the center line. This line is for the front and the top. This is for the side, and we're going to connect that to the torso, the body, the neck, and imagine like a necklace that just goes like that. I mean, this could be bigger, like that. And so here we have a simple way to draw 3 forms of the body. And if you imagine kind of the form of this, I'm going to draw another line like this, and line like this. This will be kind of the underside of the ribs, and this is the top of the hips. And it'll be a little easier to see what I mean by that in the 3/4 view. So this is front, and this is 3/4, so let's draw that. Start with the head. Oops. Quickly draw in the head. Maybe something like that. Side. Right. Straight line for the front of the neck and a curve for the back. She has a long neck. And now let's draw the rib cage, ribs. So the ribs is actually smaller than what I'm drawing, but this is just a guideline for the upper part of the torso, right? So line goes like that, curves back in. Then we can't see back here. Just from experience, I know that it curves back like that, and see how it connects there. You can draw the front side, and remember, let's try and draw where we think is the waist. Like that. Then the hips, roughly. And you can draw, looks like a necklace, right? Form goes like this. Neck connects to this upper part, the ribs. We can draw a circle for where we think you can kind of see where the arm connects, right? This tank top line. And let's draw the center line. Goes like this. And then the zipper is a good indicator of where the front is for hips. Okay. So I'm going to draw these lines right here. So here. They aren't really necessary, but I kind of like them because it shows how this form goes like this, right? A little more dimensional, and this is the underside of how I picture it, and this is the top, and this form goes like this. Right, moving along, we're gonna do the side. Quickly drawing the head. Oops. It's probably like this. Okay. Curve back of the neck, and then let's draw the ribs again. That. Circle for where the arm connects. Fairly straight at the front. Or this is the spine at the back. The spine goes from here all the way like that. Let's draw in where the waist goes. Like that. And then the hips at the bottom. So for this one, you can see, right? 1, 2, 3 main kind of shapes that block in the main body. 3/4 back. So 3/4 back. Just drawing the head real quick. Real quick.
It's a little tricky. Jaw. And neck. And this is the... maybe something like that. Back of the neck.
And that is the secret to drawing anatomy. Okay, let's draw the ribs. Draw the front, stomach, right? Got this crunch. Draw the waistline, and then kind of where the hips are. And so for the back, the center line is actually going to be the spine. So imagine from the skull, the spine comes like this, goes this way. It doesn't just go like this, right? It follows the form of the body, right? One direction, goes the other direction, comes back, and then curve at the bottom. Circle where the arm goes, right? Let's check that. Boom. Alright, we got one more. Back. Ooh, this is hard. Neck. Okay. Let's roughen the body. So what I'm doing is I'm just following the edge of her body. Then middle, stomach. Gonna draw her waistline. Come down. Hips. Maybe we could see it like a necklace, right? A little curve. Then center line. Remember in this one, where is it? You can see the bottom. So I'm wondering for this one, it might help to draw this, which is kind of like the top, you know, contour, like that. And then, I mean, this could be, you know, kind of like that. These are all guidelines. I mean, when you draw over reference or you're, you know, observing, I think you use whatever works for you. Whatever helps you to see kind of these big blocks of the body. And there we have it. 5 different views: back, 3/4 back, side, 3/4 front, and front. In the next video, what we'll do is we'll either do kind of how the arms connect or the legs. And then from there, you know, we can start posing the character and talking about gesture and what makes for dynamic posing and things like that. And let me know what you thought. Was it confusing at parts? Did I take too long? Were the parts of it that you could use more explaining or clarification? And I'll be happy to do that. Just leave a comment either in this video or in the community section, and I'll try to get back to you guys. Alright, and with that, yeah, I will see you guys next time.